Badgerland Mini Trucks and Equipment. We have here a beautiful little 1992 Daihatsu Jumbo Cab. It's a super deluxe version. Push button 4-wheel drive, 5-speed, 25,000 original miles. Truck is in original condition, has been not repainted. It's very well maintained by the original owner. Very few details on this truck, in less than very good shape. Truck is equipped with a little more rare 13-inch alloy wheels, stock tires from the factory. We have one small ding in this location on the back of the bed. Still has the original rubber bed liner from the factory. Another rare option on this truck that you only see in the jumbos, rear sliding window. Moving to the interior, once again it's a 5-speed transmission, high-low range, push-button 4-wheel drive, 10 forward speeds, 2 reverse, air conditioning control, regular climate control on the truck, and we'll go ahead and start it up. Nice cold air conditioning on a warm sunny day. For more information about this truck or any others that we have in inventory, visit www.badgerlandminitrucks.com.